This video outlines the procedures for operating the visual stimulus equipment. If your experiment involves visual stimuli, follow these instructions to set up the equipment. The visual stimulus equipment consists of the video projector, 3 mirrors that project the image to a screen, a photodiode, and the stimulus computer that delivers the images to the projector. Begin by turning on the projector.
By pressing that switch, you watch the lights flash, and when it stops flashing, you can press the power button, which is right here, and it'll go blue to say that it's on, and then that's how you turn the projector on.
Then, with the MEG in the horizontal position, set up the screen and align the 2 mirrors such the projected images reaches the screen. Because SICKIDS only operates in the supine position, the projector is always correctly oriented for this position. Once the screen and mirrors are set up, project a still image of your stimulus onto the screen. If you are using a photodiode, make sure the location of diode is included in this projection. Take the photodiode and attach it to the screen. The photodiode has a Velcro back surface which can be attached to either the lower Velcro edge of the screen or the vertical Velcro edge of the screen, depending on the location of diode dot on the images you will be showing. To line up the diode dot with the photodiode, follow these steps. If the diode dot needs to be moved vertically, adjust the small mirror until the dot is aligned with the photodiode. If the diode dot needs to be moved left or right, you will need to move the projector lens by gently nudging the lens left or right. The projector is mounted so that you can make this horizontal movement. There are 2 rings on the lens that is used to focus and change the image size. To make the image bigger or smaller, adjust the ring further away from the waveguide opening. To focus the projector, adjust the ring closest to the waveguide opening. You should not need to adjust these too much. Only small adjustments need to be made. If you turn these rings too much, you will throw the focus or size off dramatically, and it will be difficult to return them to their correct values. You will run the ACQ program and display the channels showing either the trigger or the diode voltage. Check that the diode level is sufficient to produce a trigger. Turning down the lights will increase the diode signal. Now let's turn off the projector.
Off.
Remove the photodiode. Tuck the screen back in the up position. Note that if you forget and the bed is too high, you might push the screen into the bed as the doer is raised back into the vertical position.